Welcome back to the D4U USA channel. If this is your first time joining us, welcome, welcome, welcome. We are immigration experts helping entrepreneurs and professionals live their American dream through their business, their investment, and their profession. I'm attorney Mari Ribeiro, a lawyer licensed in Florida, and today we're going to be talking about a topic that a lot of our viewers were asking us to address, and that is the careers and salaries they should expect to earn once they immigrate into the United States. Now, before we get started, while yes, I am an attorney, it's important that you understand that I am not your attorney unless you and I have an agreement that says otherwise. So everything we're going to be talking about in today's video is not to be considered as legal advice, and it is only to be for your educational purposes. This is because every one of you and your situation is unique, and that's why I invite you to reach out to us so that we can give you personalized attention and guidance on how you can live your American dream through your profession with the EB-2 National Interest Waiver. So let's jump in. What should you expect to earn in the careers of business? And specifically, what are those salaries in some of the different, more popular states in the United States? Of course, I'm talking about the salaries in Florida as compared to those in California. A lot of business professionals look to immigrate to either Florida or California, and we thought that the information in today's video would be helpful to see some of the differences in earning salaries in either one of these two states. Before we talk about salaries, it's important to understand that the cost of living in California is generally higher than the cost of living in Florida. For example, California is known for having higher taxes than those in Florida. Knowing that the cost of living is more in California will give you some more context as far as what the earning potential is in receiving a salary. The first position that we will evaluate in a career is going to be a Human Resource Analyst. In the state of Florida, this position will earn about $62,000 per year as a salary. The same position in California pays a salary of $73,000 per year. So you'll see that there is a slight difference, about $10,000 per year, which in reality may not necessarily be a major difference, especially when you consider the higher taxes that you will be paying in the state of California. Not only do you need to consider taxes, but again, the higher cost of living when it comes to rent or mortgages, groceries, and gas. Now, a lot of our viewers have a career in the finance industry, and we did take a look at the salary of a business financial manager. Now, the national average salary of a financial manager is $134,000 per year. Then we looked into the salary of this position in the state of New York and in California. In New York, where again, there is a higher tax bracket and a higher cost of living, the salary is $214,000 for a financial manager to earn as a salary. And the same position in California pays a yearly salary of $192,000. So both states pay a salary significantly higher than the national average of $134,000 per year. Again, likely because the cost of living is higher in those states. Next is a career as a supply chain manager. So again, we looked at the national average of the salary for this position, and we found that it pays $92,000 per year. However, if you are a supply chain manager for a larger company, the average salary is $141,000 per year. So there is an opportunity to earn more depending on the company that you work for. Lastly, we looked at the earning potential for a career in sales. Now, the sales industry is a very large industry and can be very varied a lot. For example, you could be in retail sales selling groceries, for example, or you can be in sales in a large multinational company selling aircraft parts. Another caveat is that sales positions can also earn commission for their sales, which is not going to be counted as part of their salary, but instead will be counted as a bonus. But what we found was that a sales representative in the state of Florida earns about $73,000 per year. Another salary that we found for a sales representative in the health sector was $136,000 per year. So as you can see, your salary will definitely depend on what industry you are selling in, and of course, your sales ability to earn your commission on top of your salary. While a great salary is a major factor in deciding where you would like to live and work, there are other considerations that you may want to take into account, like your lifestyle, how much is the schooling, or where you may already have friends or family or a community. In any case, we hope you found this video helpful in helping you live your American dream. And if you need help deciding, of course, you can always write to us and we'd be more than happy to assist. We look forward to seeing you on the next video.